Hi, Nicole. I'm glad to see you got your work in. I have noticed that you've been using this logo on your blog site, and I did make notes about like the sharp edges and so forth. So if you disagree with my critiques, I'd like to hear them. But at the same time, I do want to see you update your work. And if it's something you already had created, you were supposed to create something unique for this class. So anyway, that said, I do like the business card. This where you have your website sort of seems random. So if you can't really center justify it, then consider right aligning it. Make it look very deliberately placed. So this is the other side of the business card. All right, so perhaps think about putting your name somewhere that shows that you're the president of this company, and then reiterate the name of the company, like the ERD effect. Is there supposed to be an NRD effect is what I'm reading. So I'm seeing NRD effect. So this is supposed to be an N. Okay, so that doesn't come across clearly. Consider, perhaps making this side of the head a little straighter so that the N is a little bit more clear. You can also move the part a little bit to indicate that as well. And then, so you have a website, nrdeffect.com. So a professional look would be your name at that website, not Gmail. And then if you don't want to use that email, you can still set it up to say that. And in Gmail, you can route it to your Gmail account. Okay, so that's cute. I like that. I like that a lot, and I'm happy to see that you have an understanding of how long a letter should be. Let me go back to this. So, okay, you've got your address. Oh, this is very successful. This maybe I would reduce the opacity of the glasses a little bit more because the post office can be pretty fussy. But anyway, so those are my comments. Keep working on consistency and making the N a little clearer. And I think you're going in a good direction.